Hey everyone, have you ever found the text on WhatsApp Web too small or too big? It can be frustrating trying to read those messages, right? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font size on WhatsApp Web. And the best part? These methods work on any website. I'll be demonstrating this on a MacBook Pro, but the steps are similar on any laptop. Let's get started. Let's begin with the easiest method, browser zoom. If you're on Mac, press Command and plus to zoom in, or Command and minus to zoom out. To reset, press Command and 0. If you're on Windows, the steps are the same, but use Control instead of Command. It also works in the Chrome WhatsApp app. Press Command and plus to zoom in, or Command and minus to zoom out. You can also adjust zoom through your browser settings. Just click the three dots in the top right corner and look for the zoom option. This method increases the size of everything on the page: text, images, and layout elements. And guess what? It also works in the Chrome WhatsApp app. Now, what if you only want to change the text size without affecting images? Here's how. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and search for font size. If you're using Firefox, Edge, or other browsers, you'll find similar options in their settings. Just look for font size under Appearance. This method keeps images the same while making the text easier to read. And yes, it also works in the Chrome WhatsApp app. For even more control, you can use browser extensions like Stylus or Dark Reader. Simply install Stylus from the Chrome Web Store, then add a custom CSS rule. Here's what to do. Asterisk followed by font size : the number 18, which will be your font size, then px for pixels, then an exclamation mark, and the word important, all written inside curly braces. This will set a fixed font size for WhatsApp Web or any site you visit. Keep in mind, though, that this method won't work directly in the Chrome WhatsApp app. And that's it. 4 simple ways to change the font size on WhatsApp Web, the Chrome WhatsApp app, or any website. Which method worked best for you? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tech tips. See you in the next one. Take care.